Hello, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can make a good looking survey on GoHighLevel. Okay, so we already have some videos in our channel for different styles, but today I'm going to show you a another style, okay, for our survey. Okay, so let me preview this survey at first. Okay, so this is how it looks like now on our page when we already embedded on the page. Okay, and this is how it looks like if we just visit the survey link, okay, from GoHighLevel. But we are going to make this survey looks like this, like exactly this. Okay, so this survey from the previous design we shared on our YouTube. Okay, so that was a bit different, that has a progress bar at the bottom, but today we are going to show you how we can create a survey that will just show, instead of the progress bar, it will show the dot sign here. Okay, you can see. So we can make this very simply, because we already have the code. All we need to just copy the code and we implement that in our GoHighLevel survey builder. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I am here on the survey. I already added all the questions. So what I need to do, at the very end of the survey, okay, let me delete this one. Okay, so at the very end of the survey we will take this element. Okay, how you will get that? Okay, so when you click here, add survey elements, this window will open, and then at the very bottom, okay, you will see something called HTML. Okay, just drag this and drop it at the very bottom of your survey, and then once you click, it will open this type of pop-up at the right side. Okay, just click it and it will open the editor. Okay, so now all we need to copy the code. Okay, let me copy everything. Okay, and then copy and go back here and put the all the code we copied here. Okay, and then save it and click here, save again, proceed. And now if we click integrate, or we can preview directly from here also. Okay, let me preview this. Okay, so now we can see that our page, our survey are designed completely, right? So that's how easy it is when you have the code, right? You definitely need to have the code. And let me reload the page. Okay, so this was the page, okay, we already built inside our GoHighLevel. So if we reload this page now, so it will implement the design. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so to get the code, you will get a link on our video description. Just click that link and you just go to the website. Okay, this is our premium code, so you need to buy the script. Okay, so let me know if you like this video, or if you are one who is looking for more video like this, then just feel free to comment. And if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel. Thank you again.